Brake pad replacement on a 2016 Nissan Murano. It's pretty simple. If you do pads only, which I am on this side, the other side had a bad rotor, so I had to do rotor too. So you just take this top bolt out here. This is for pads only. I already broke it loose. It's a 9/16 or a 14 millimeter. And you use flathead to come in here. You're gonna catch an edge here, just to give it a little push in. Okay, see, it's right there. I'm just pushing in that caliper a little. That way, I can pull this out. Once it unscrews all the way, you see, you pull it out. See, there's grease on it. Before I put it back in, I'm gonna want to add new grease to that. Okay, flip it up like this. Take the brake pads off. These brake pads were almost gone, but they weren't metal to metal. You can see the pad surface here, and that's the metal. See, there's still a little bit of pad left. This one's almost gone. So you want to look at your rotor and see how the rotor's still smooth, no edges. That means the rotor's still good. This rotor could use turned, but we're going to go with it. This is what a bad rotor looks like. This one is metal to metal. You can see it's rough and ate up, and it's pretty thin. You wouldn't want to use that one. So you just take one of your old pads, you put it here, use your C-clamp. You can take this C-clamp and put it on this caliper just like so. And you just slowly push it in until it's all the way in. Once it's pushed all the way in like that, see, it's flat. We'll take the new brake pads. They don't have new slides, or we would change them. This one says outer, and it's going to go here. The one with the metal squealer on it, this right here, that squeals when the brakes get low to let you know it's time to change them. Goes on the back side. You're going to want to make sure it goes all the way in. There we go. Flips back up. You want to push that rubber thing down like that so it goes in between, and then put this guide pin right back in right there. Tighten it back down. You gotta go pretty tight. It's got to be nice and tight. There you go. And that's how you do the brake pads only. Brake pads are done. Before you drive the vehicle, you're going to want to pump the brakes a few times and let the pressure build back up.